Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We're gonna be doing like a realistic mom life, main living area cleaning video. That's a lot of words, but I am so excited. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and it gives you tons of cleaning motivation. Let's get right on into it.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhymes.
So today we are starting off with throwing a load of laundry in. I honestly feel like there's nothing better than either getting the laundry going or the dishes going in the dishwasher, just having something being done in the background while I start tackling the rest of the house.
Wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my
So in my master bedroom here today, I am just making my bed and then we are going to move on into my bathroom, and I'm just kind of doing some of those everyday tasks in my master bedroom and as well in the bathroom. But we are gonna go ahead and tackle our main living area and we're gonna get it real clean. So make sure that you stay tuned for that, as it'll give you tons of cleaning and homemaking motivation.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
Hello my friends, I hope that you are getting some cleaning motivation from it already, but I'm gonna try and keep this super real, like super realistic mom life, all the things. And so let's go ahead, put me up on whatever device and tackle your mess with me. So if you haven't already, I'd love if you got up and got moving and tackled your to-do list. Let's get to it together.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see.
So I feel like it had been a while since I had been in here and dusted everything, so I wanted to go ahead and give everything a good wipe. The TV, I just used a microfiber cloth with no product or anything, and then as you can see, I'm going around with some Pledge as well, and I'm also gonna go ahead and clean this blanket that was on the couch as well as the windows. So I feel like this window gets so dirty. The girls just love to sit there and look out of it, so there was fingerprints all over it. As you can see, I am using my Windex with a microfiber cloth. I usually use coffee filters. It is one of the best tips I can give you when cleaning glass or windows or mirrors or anything like that. And it is a really, really good hack to know. It just helps to make them less streaky and works amazing.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door.
show you guys a nice close-up of this little lantern here. You'll see it is very, you know, rustic looking, so it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it was so dusty. So I wanted to go ahead and just kind of share a close-up of that and what I was wiping down. But again, it's a little hard to see on camera what I was cleaning there. So now we are moving on to our kitchen and dining room area. I feel like there's nothing better than a clean kitchen table or just a clean kitchen in general. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same. I honestly feel like when the kitchen is clean, like the whole house feels clean.
I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you, yeah you. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you.
So now that the dishes are done, I got everything in the sink and these ones washed. I'm gonna go ahead and clean our sink. I normally use the Comet, but that is a really abrasive cleaner, and so I wanted to try out the Dawn Power Wash. I've been seeing some other women use this stuff on their sink, and I think it did an incredible job. So if you haven't already hopped on the Dawn Power Wash train, I would highly recommend it. There are some amazing uses for it. I cleaned my shower in the downstairs basement, which was nasty, you guys. If you want to see that, I will have it linked in the description. It was a really, really intense deep cleaning video. Now I'm just going ahead and wiping down the rest of the kitchen before we start vacuuming the house here.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome what I
So I know you can't really see it on camera again, but there was Play-Doh all over this table. It's kind of my new favorite thing to do with the girls. I remember playing with Play-Doh when my oldest was around 2 years old, which is how old my youngest is going to be in June. And so I wanted to whip out the Play-Doh. I've been honestly avoiding it because I know how messy it is, but the girls and I have been loving it so much. So that is honestly the main reason I pulled out my vacuum today, was to vacuum up that Play-Doh. And then I wanted to also just get all of this dirt and stuff, as you can see, off my floor, as it just kind of gets buried in the corners sometimes. And obviously my robot vacuum can't get in those areas. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of go ahead and whip this out.
far my mind would wander. I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up?
So we are now moving on into the kitchen, and I am taking off these mats. I've talked about it numerous times here on my channel, but our kitchen floor just seems to track in so much dirt and mud and all the things, and so I have to vacuum this area daily. And I do like to let my robot vacuum go daily as well, but I've honestly been slacking in that area lately, and I'm not really sure what happened or why, but I've been whipping out my vacuum a lot more rather than my robot vacuum, which is fine, but I have to admit I love when someone else vacuums for me. All right, everybody, now that the floors are vacuumed, we're now gonna go ahead, take out my Velita mop, and go ahead and tackle the floors using some Pine Sol. Let's do it.
Knows how to make it all right. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us.
I'm not gonna lie, my husband and I both love Pine Sol. I haven't used this stuff in what feels like years. Well, it probably has been years. And I recently saw it on another YouTuber's channel, and I was like, oh my goodness, I freaking love Pine Sol. So I went out and bought some instead of using the Go Clean Co method, which is what I normally use. And I have to say, I love it. It's just as good as I remember it. And so yeah, I'm just going ahead and mopping the floors using that today. And I also want to know in the comments if you are still here. First of all, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. But I also want to know, did you enjoy this video? I did end up talking a lot less than I normally do, just to kind of play it out and see what you guys like. But I'd love to know if you guys prefer more talking or less talking and more music. Let me know.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just play.
All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys got tons of cleaning motivation. If you did and you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button for more cleaning and homemaking motivation, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.